Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect bank feeds in Zoho Books. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead and go to the left panel right here under banking. Just click on it and do make sure that you add your bank account, or it could be PayPal. Okay, so you can see here, my PayPal or PayPal bank, as it states here, bank feeds are active through this connected bank. So what I did before, okay, is that I just added my bank or credit right here. Okay, just select one. Then just go ahead and follow the simple prompts to connect your bank to Zoho Books. And once that's connected, it will require you to log back in. All right. So if it asks you to add a two-factor authentication or authentication code, just go ahead and add it in. And then once done, just go ahead and confirm the connection. And after that, you can go ahead over to banking right here. And as you can see, we have here the charge for all accounts, or I'm just going to go ahead and select PayPal. Okay. For the last 30 days, scroll down. Here you have your feeds. Okay. Click on drop down and you can go ahead and view transactions right here. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.